Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizka Amelia Sugiyarti and my student ID is 632502120. Here I want to discuss topics about the diversity of food and drinks in Indonesia. Every region in Indonesia definitely has its own typical food and drinks. For example, rendang food from North Sumatra and bajigur drink from West Java. Here, I want to discuss a drink that is quite famous in my hometown, namely Brebes Regency, Central Java Province. The name of the drink is es dawet beras, which originate from Tegal. Originally, but quite famous in Brebes. This es dawet beras is made from rice flour served with Javanese sugar and has the aroma of kaffir lime, which makes this drink more refreshing. Nah, you can find this drink in traditional markets. If I always buy it at the Brebes market for 3,000 rupiah for one bowl. That's my explanation about famous fresh es dawet beras drink in Brebes Regency, Central Java Province. Thank you for watching. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before I start, I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little unclear because I have a flu. Hello, my name is Rizka Amelia Sugiyarti and my student ID is 632502120. Today I will present about sequence adverbs. Now, let's start with the definition of sequence adverbs. What are adverbs of sequence? Adverbs of sequence are words or phrases that show the order in which action or event occur. These adverbs are especially useful in reading instruction, giving direction, or telling a story where the correct order of events is important. Now, let's see why sequence adverbs are important. In everyday conversation, adverbs of sequence help make communication clear and structured. Imagine giving instruction for a recipe, explaining how to fix a device, or telling a story without proper sequence. Your message could become confusing. Adverbs of sequence make the progression of ideas logical and easy to follow. Next, common adverbs of sequence. Now, let's talk about the first sequence adverbs, which is first. The adverbs first is for an action that happens before any others. It can also be used at the end of a sentence. Example, I have a lot of work to do. First, I will make a cup of coffee. Now we move to next. The adverb next is for an action that happens immediately after another action or as soon as possible. It can also be used at the end of a sentence. Example, I want to Jeju Island on vacation. Next, I want to go to Paris. The next adverb is then. The adverb then is for an action that happens after another action if it's not immediate. We can use and then without a comma. Example, Baskara is studying for his degree and then he wants to be a lawyer. Next, we can also use after that. The adverbs pairs after that is used for an action that happens after another action in sequence. It is similar to then, but usually sounds a little more casual and clearer for step-by-step actions. Example, I finished my homework. After that, I watched a movie. The last sequence adverb is finally. The adverb the adverb finally is for an action that happens at the end, after any others, or after a long time. We can also use finally before a verb without a comma. Example, I worked all day. Finally, I want to bed at 10 p.m. To understand it better, here is an example of using sequence adverbs. How to use adverbs of sequence in sentence. When using adverbs of sequence in a sentence, it is crucial to place at them at the beginning or the appropriate part of the sentence to ensure the order of events is clear. Here are some examples. First, prepare coffee on sugar and ice cubes. Next, melt the palm. Next, melt the palm sugar with a little hot water. Then, pour the coffee into the glass. After that, add milk and add ice cups. Finally, stir well and enjoy your coffee. These adverbs are essential for presenting steps in an orderly manner. That's all my presentation. Thank you for attention.